Hi, welcome to Codewars. In this series, I'm gonna solve TDD's katas using JavaScript. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing. Let's solve today's kata titled Square and Sum. Complete the square sum method so that it squares each number, passes into it, and then sums the results together. Okay, I have an array, and then I need to square each number. A map method is a good fit for that. So let's define a result that will be 0, and then a new array. I will numbers map over it, and for each element return its square. Let's check in console what we have. Yes, as you see, each element is squared. Now I need to sum all the elements, so I can use for that for each method. R for each, and then each element, I just add that element to our result, and then return a result value. Let's check. Yes, it works. However, we have a method that fits better, especially for this purpose. It's reduce method. Let's use it. I will return numbers and reduce accumulator and current element, then accumulator add current element square, and I'll start from 0. Let's check. Yes, that's correct. And make a compact solution using arrow function. Let's try. Yes, that's correct. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.